China is an adventure, but navigating its unique digital ecosystem is a challenge. Meet China Survival, a free web app that adapts instantly to any device. And yes, we support 8 languages natively. Check your visa eligibility in seconds and organize your trip with our smart departure checklist. Find the best eSIM with no internet restrictions or other options that suit your needs. Setting up mobile payments. Our step-by-step guides help you master Alipay and WeChat so you can pay like a local. Forget Uber. China runs on DiDi and Amap. Learn how to use these essential apps to secure your ride. Learn how to use essential local apps like Alipay and Trip.com to navigate public transport and book hotel, train, or flight tickets. Explore our curated city guides, from Beijing's historic landmarks and hidden gems to the must-eat local delicacies. We show you exactly where to go. Don't speak the language? Use our audio flashcards to talk for you.
麻烦看一下后备箱，我有行李。
ChinaSurvival.com